Welcome to our tutorial where we'll guide you through the process of dynamically listing all sheet names in a combo box using VBA in Excel. This feature is perfect for creating user-friendly interfaces in your workbooks. If you don't see the Developer tab in Excel, you'll need to enable it. Go to File, greater than, Options, greater than, Customize ribbon, and check the Developer box. This tab gives you access to advanced features, including VBA. Open your Excel workbook and click on the Developer tab. Here, you'll find the Visual Basic command that will take you to the editor where we'll write our VBA code. Click on Visual Basic, or use the shortcut Alt plus F11 to open the Visual Basic editor. This is the platform where we'll create a user form and add a combo box to list all sheet names. In the Visual Basic editor, click Insert in the menu and select User Form. A new user form is the basis for creating custom dialogues and interfaces in Excel. With your new user form open, go to the Tools menu and select Add Toolbox. In the toolbox, find the Combo Box control and drag it onto your user form. Resize and position it as needed. After adding the combo box to your user form, right-click on it and select View Code. This will open the code window associated with the user form where we'll write the code to populate the combo box. Now, let's write the VBA code that will list all the sheet names in the combo box. This code initializes the user form, clears the combo box, adds each sheet name to the combo box, and sets the value to the name of the active sheet. After writing the code, click Save to store it with your workbook. This ensures that your user form and its functionality are saved for future use. Return to the user form in the Visual Basic editor and run the macro by pressing F5 or clicking the Run button. This will display the user form with the combo box populated with your workbook's sheet names. When the user form appears, you can interact with it. The combo box should list all the sheet names, and you can select any sheet name to see how the user form functions as an interactive element. Congratulations! You've successfully created a user form with a combo box that dynamically lists all sheet names in your Excel workbook. This is a valuable skill for creating advanced Excel applications and improving user navigation. Thanks for watching our tutorial on using VBA to list all sheet names into a combo box. If you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to ask in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe for more Excel and VBA tutorials.